In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. If you're excited to get started with this innovative feature, the first thing you need to do is ensure your Messenger app is up to date. Head over to the Google Play Store if you're an Android user or the Apple App Store if you're on iOS. Search for Messenger, and if there's an update available, be sure to tap that update button. This step is crucial because Meta AI is only compatible with the latest versions, specifically version 456 and above on Android or version 446 and above on iOS. Once you've updated the app, it's time to open a chat with Meta AI. You have two options here. For a direct chat, launch Messenger and tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Meta AI and select the official profile, which you can recognize by its blue-purple gradient icon. Now it's all set to interact. Go ahead and type your question or prompt. Whether it's a thoughtful birthday message, a chat summary, or imagining a scene like a cat astronaut floating in space, Meta AI is at your service. Alternatively, you can engage with Meta AI in any group chat by using the tagging feature. Simply type at Meta AI followed by your message. For example, you could ask, at Meta AI suggest dinner spots near Makati. The best part is, everyone in the chat will get to see the AI's response, adding a dynamic element to your group interactions. Moving on, let's delve into generating AI images using the intuitive Imagine command. This feature is quite straightforward. Type imagine, followed by a description of what you'd like to see. For instance, you might write, imagine a cozy coffee shop at sunset. Within a few seconds, you'll see the image pop up in your chat, ready for you to download, share, or even remix. It's a fun way to bring your thoughts to life visually. Beyond images, Meta AI is equipped to handle a vast array of inquiries. Looking for a good laugh? Ask it to tell you a joke about dogs. Curious about recent events? Inquire about the winner of the 2024 NBA Finals. Enhance your productivity by asking for a summary of a conversation, or tap into your creative side by requesting a travel photo caption. The possibilities with Meta AI are nearly limitless. Lastly, in certain regions, you'll find that Meta AI offers smart replies or helpful summaries to keep your conversations efficient. Tap on suggested replies such as, yes, sounds good, or tell me more. Group chats can be quickly reviewed with summaries, saving you time and keeping you well informed. If at any point you decide you want a break from Meta AI, it's easy to turn off the feature. Navigate to Messenger settings, then go to AI features, and toggle Meta AI off. Remember, it's just as easy to turn it back on should you change your mind. And that's how you get the most out of Meta AI on Facebook Messenger. Whether you're exploring its creative suggestions, diving into AI-generated visuals, or using its insightful summaries,